What up, YouTube? Thank you for tuning back into the channel. You have reached Tesla Pickup. Thank you for tuning in. Alright, YouTube, real quick, if it's your first time tuning into the channel, I'm a part-time reseller. I go to thrift stores, estate sales, yard sales, all the stuff in that bracket. Buy stuff low and try to sell it for a little bit higher on eBay. And I do a little Facebook marketplace and other things. If you like stuff like that, subscribe. Straight up. You understand what I'm saying? It's free. Today, I'm doing something different, man. I gotta go get another phone. I don't have to get another phone, but it's time for me to upgrade, all right? I used to be that guy. Who used to be that guy that wanted the latest and greatest? I used to get a phone every year. I used to get every tennis shoe that came out. I used to have every electronic. Just needed it all. You know, I just needed the latest and greatest. But really, from year to year, stuff doesn't change that much on your phone. You might get a better camera, faster processor, in which the processor really ain't that fast. It's just the fact that you don't have anything on that phone when you get it new, so it runs a little faster. I also went to Gimme 5, my band spot, and got a couple things. Matter of fact, let's show you a little bit of it here right now. The checkbook. Doing the same thing, ain't you?
Good morning, shoppers. I'm already seeing 2 people to a pen. There are 100 pens, there's only 71 of you. That means you can have a whole bin to yourself for a couple of minutes and move on. You get 2 bags this morning because we want all of your money, because we have bills to pay. So come on in here and follow these rules, which are simple. The mice are in the bins. Don't wake them up. They will be jumping out on you. I know you got open boxes over the bin, so I put garbage cans in the center aisle so that you may throw your boxes in them. Tired of telling y'all not to do it because y'all do not listen. So I put garbage cans down there so you can throw those boxes away. Thank you. Also, nobody's following the arrow because it's 100 bins, which means social distancing is out the window. But I can remind you, we do practice social distancing here. And keep your mask on. I see a few people with their mask off. So mine is on. Stuffing of boxes will not be tolerated. We will be checking your boxes this morning. So have fun stuffing it so I can escort you out the building and put you on our exposed Facebook list. You will not be welcome to any more of our tools. Alright, thank you all for being here this morning. Enjoy the shopping.
only spent $58, $60. I just wanted to spend an hour in there. I'm trying to limit my time because I worked a 12-hour shift the night before that too, and I was tired. So believe it or not, I do get a lot of sleep. Like today, I slept like 9 hours. So I guess you gotta get some type of number or something. Let's see how fast I can do this, because when you go to Sprint store, you spend all day in there, and I only got an hour. So let's see what's up. All right, so what you do is you go to the door, they sign you in, then they come to the vehicle when they're ready for you. So it is, what time is it? It is 4:04. Let's see how long it takes. So I got a comment the other day. Somebody just basically said, love your fam, love the fact that you put, you know, that additional footage of you and your family out doing your little outings and stuff like that. And I appreciate that. Thanks. I forget exactly who said that. I should have a screenshot, but I do that on purpose. The last couple of videos I did that, and I did it on purpose. And the reason why I did that is because I get comments a lot saying that, man, you work to death. You're always working. You doing this, you doing that, this, that, and the other. And that's good. You know what I'm saying? You should have that drive to get stuff done, but do it to where your family's involved as well. Like, don't overstand yourself to where you just working because you want to get your business off the ground, and you're not worried about spending time with your family. You're not worried about getting stuff done at home. You just going, and that's it. You know, you putting all your extra time into your business, and that's it. If you don't have family, you have nothing at all. You understand? I mean, let's say you do go and you go 100% into this business, and you get it off the ground, and it's done, and it's there, and then your family's like, you know what? You ain't talked to us in 2 years. We out of here. You don't want that. You know what I'm saying? If you don't got family, you got nothing, like I said. So a lot of people and a lot of YouTubers, as far as in the resale game, you know, they show their wins. A lot of them don't show their losses. Some of them do, and I appreciate that. But I make sure I show the whole spectrum. I try to anyway, because you're going to lose. Your mind is not going to be in the right place if you're going through stuff at home. We're doing this to uplift the family, making sure that we in a better spot, that we don't want for nothing, and we can give, we can donate and buy what we want to buy, and all that good stuff, you know. So, you know, bring them with you, bring them along with you, incorporate them into the business if you can. My wife ain't trying to do nothing, so. But if you can, that would be great. If both of y'all could actually do something within the business, that's great. And I see other couples who do it, and I love it. You know, I was all over the place just now, so hopefully you understood what I'm saying, or what I said. This weekend I did a couple other things too. I went to a yard sale, like an antique yard sale, and
Which type of style?
That's called a hombre. If you see this broad trim,
Yeah.
it's meant to stay
Yeah.
up. Yeah. Like this,
Is it a smoke?
you know. I could go through them yet. They're my old dad's old ones. I'm sure there's some in there I want to keep, but I just, every time I look at the
It's a nightmare.
the sheer amount,
I have thousands myself, and it's like, I don't want to deal with them. What people are doing is digitizing them now, but
petition ones in there because I used to take a lot of pictures of my old running days, so there probably are some things I want.
yeah. We because East Broadway is closed, so when we go to the gym in the morning, we go down. We come in through Kentucky, so we don't go down Boston Road. So I don't see you walking in the morning.
all right, I just want to show you what I got from Gimme 5 real quick. All the stuff is $5 a piece. My thinking, when I go in there and I buy something for $5, I want it to be at least $25. All right, so this one, I'm gonna go through it real quick. I got the sander, this memory foam back cushions. Anything that has anything to do with the back, yes, usually does pretty good. These right here are kind of different. These right here go for a horse. They're little bell boots to go on a horse. Those might do pretty good. I haven't looked them up. This air swimmer, I looked this up, and I believe this is like maybe a $30 piece. I was surprised. The big old sharks that can remotely go through the air or whatnot. It's pretty neat. This right here is open box, but it does do pretty good open box. It's a phone holder, metal phone holder. This right here, I was shocked. This is about like a $60, $70 piece. It's a flow meter. Air purifier, that's pretty good as well. I got a table lamp. Surprisingly, I just listed that for like $60, $65. That's pretty good. Nice Dream Sky clock. That's about a $25 piece. A seat. Now this seat right here has a rip in it, but I seen another Ripman, and they sold it for $39.99, so that was a good pickup. And phone holder, which is probably gonna be a personal buy because this one actually charges your phone while it's sitting in there, so it's actually pretty good. Yeah, so that's what I got from the bin store, and then from that what was it, a yard sale? I was an antique yard sale, there you go. When it comes to antiques, I'm not like a connoisseur, I don't know nothing about it. Certain things, let me say that. So I just buy. Sometimes I look stuff up, sometimes it's cheap enough, I just buy it, you know. So I just went on a whim this time, didn't really look nothing up, and I got a couple cool pieces. I still haven't really looked nothing up, so I can't really tell you what any of this stuff is about. Actually, I did, I looked these up because these has a name on it. These two together, I seen like a $35, and I got these he actually gave these to me for $1 together. I haven't looked this up either. This is an old 1993 Star Trek coffee cup. Y'all know me, I drink coffee, but I probably sell these. I'm not really a Star Trek fan. Got this because it was $1. Look interesting. I haven't looked it up as well, but it was made in the USA, and don't know what that's all about. It's only $1, so I picked this up too. It's a burglar alarm. This is like a $25 piece. I've sold this one before, but didn't have the box, so I got to check out the box this time. And I don't know, I got this little Avon Snoopy. I haven't really looked that up. I guess that's Snoopy. It might not be Snoopy. Then I got two radios. This one right here is battery operated. It's a Channel Master. I haven't looked that up. 60s, I believe. And then this one right here, he actually plugged up, and the clock ran, but the radio never did cut on. I'll probably tinker with it and see what's up with it, but I got these for 10 pieces, so these are $20, so they're probably not worth that, who knows, but they're cool pieces, and I might set them somewhere for decoration. And also, one last thing, I want some stuff off Habit, and it's just 3 phones, 3 little antique looking phones, but I don't think they old at all. These 3 right here. I looked this one up. This right here, in this condition, is about a $25, $30 piece, and I haven't looked those 2 up. So yeah, man, sorry, low energy. About to go to work. Every time I'm about to go to work, I got low energy, even though I just woke up. And pretty much it. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to think if I have anything else for you guys today. Just like, comment, subscribe. Y'all be good. Peace.